Hey everyone, today I am going to talk to you guys about how to make a tape roll. So first thing you're going to do is we're just going to pretend like this is your desk, and the first thing that you're going to do is get a piece of a long piece of tape from me, and I'm going to stick it on your desk. Once it's on your desk, what you can do is you can just lift up a little bit of the tape at a time, all right? So you're going to lift up a little bit of the tape, and then once you get a little bit off your desk, you're going to rip it, all right? And then what you're going to need is you're going to need about this much tape. This is about 3 inches of tape, or if I measure it, it's, the length of my finger. So my finger is probably bigger than your finger, so it's a pretty good size of tape. Now, the next thing you're going to do after you get your tape is you're going to make sure that it is, this part up top is not sticky. The part that's down below over here, this part below is sticky. So where my fingers are down below is sticky, and up top right here, not sticky. Not sticky, sticky. Then the next step is going to be to turn or fold one side down. And then you're going to fold the other side down. All right, and then you're gonna know that it's correct because the whole entire thing is going to be sticky. That's how you make a tape roll. Watch again. If you missed it the first time, you can watch how I do it one more time. You just lift up a little bit of tape from your table. All right, you never want to rip it all the way off. If you can't rip it, you're more than welcome to use your scissors. And you're going to just fold one side, fold the other side. And you're going to use all of the tape that I've given you. All right. If you cut your tape too small, then your tape rolls will be way too small and it's not going to work. So fold one side, fold the other side, and you keep going until you are done making your tape rolls. Fold one side, fold the other side, sticky side down. So right here, I'm gonna just go ahead. All right, remember this side is not sticky, the bottom is sticky. So bottom is sticky, fold, fold. Take the last bit, bottom is sticky, top is not, fold, fold. All right, and then when you're going to use your tape to put it into the corners of your paper, you need to make sure that it's actually in the corner of the paper. If it's sticking off of your paper like this, then this part of the tape is not actually sticking onto anything at all. So this part that's outside of the paper can't do its job. So please make sure that you are actually on the paper in the corner. On the paper in the corner, not off of the paper. Not like that. In the corner. Another corner. Another corner, and then you should have one in the middle. And then whatever you have extra, however many extra ones that you have, you can just start putting them around the edges of your paper. So for this one, I just have one, so I'm just gonna put it at the top. All right, that's how you do your tape rolls.